Hello, today speaking about on the how to describe an cultural event. Feria de las Flores. The flower fair is without a doubt the most representative event in Medellin. I choose this event because it's very beautiful to see to the tradition and the variety of beautiful flowers, art and culture, and meaning that this event have for Colombia. Medellin is in the friendly city, is showing our country and is inhabitants are war people. The flower fair is an event where Antioquia comes out and celebrity is run in style. In is a party the protagonists are flower. There's an area display in the silence to weigh how to 60 kilos. Her stand out the gravity, beautiful and challenge of the silleteros. In addition, all kinds of events are held include concert, the Trova Festival, parade of classic cars, and the other activities to enjoy as and family. Thank you for attention.